You decided that you want to start your own company and you're ready to do it right now. If you have a full-time job, one of the best things that I can tell you is to not just quit. Don't just quit your full-time job. Keep that full-time job until you at least replace your income. That's what I did. I actually waited till my income was doubled before I quit my full-time job. Especially if you have responsibilities, just a smart thing to do. Go legit. A lot of people, they just do things under the table constantly, and it's going to get difficult. You're going to lose customers that way because a lot of customers won't do that shady shit. They want you to be legitimate, and they want to write you a check to your business name, and they want a receipt. They want a written estimate. They want a written invoice, and they would like to provide you with a check or pay by card. Accept card payments. Even if it's just a Square reader, yeah, you're going to pay a little bit of money, but you're going to get a hell of a lot more customers. Do what you say you're going to do. If you say you're going to be somewhere at 9 o'clock that day, be there at 9 o'clock, even if you have to leave yourself and get there and have your crew meet you there later. When I started this business, I started with a $200 chainsaw and a $500 truck. Not kidding. And I'd go out, and my first job was a $400 tree job with a $200 saw. I went up there with a ladder and did what I needed to do and got the tree done, and boom, now I got $400, and the first thing I went and did was bought climbing gear. And I've been at it full bore ever since. Now I have $500,000 in equipment and a network base to where I don't have to do any advertising. Definitely get some work shirts. You know, if you're the owner of the company, it's nice to wear a polo. These are great Agio polos. I get them from my guy G over at Logos Promote in Orlando. He's awesome. Shout out Logos Promote. And I got some work shirts made, you know, simple work shirts made for the guys with the company website on there, your logo, phone number, you know, super important. Definitely want to make your guys match. It's critical. You know, if your guys are just showing up in whatever they want to wear, there's going to be a day where they got a Budweiser shirt on, or there's going to be a day where they show up wearing some other company's shirt. You don't want that. Yard signs are important. Put a yard sign out, you know, even if it's in a crappy neighborhood, you know, whatever. Still put a yard sign out because it just creates exposure. You go to our website, orlandotrooper.com, check it out. If you're looking to start a business, those are some quick tips for you. You know, write a comment in the comment section. You can also email me directly, info@orlandotrooper.com. I'll be happy to help you out.